Welcome to qnawire.
All right, in this equation, they're giving us a reaction, and we first need to write the balanced equation for this reaction. So the problem reads that we have 900 degrees Celsius titanium tetrachloride, so that is TiCl4, and that's a gas, tells me it's a vapor, so that's in the gaseous state, plus molten magnesium metal, so Mg, but it's a liquid, and we are going to form solid titanium metal, so solid titanium plus molten magnesium chloride, so magnesium chloride MgCl2, and it is molten, so that is a liquid. And we need to balance this reaction. So I have 4 chlorines on the left, I only have 2 on the right, so I need to put a 2 here. That now gives me 2 magnesium, so I need to put a 2 here. There's 1 titanium on each side. So that is our balanced reaction for part A. In part B, the question is what is being oxidized and what's being reduced. So in order to figure that out, we need to find all our oxidation numbers. So here, chlorine it's -1, and since there's 4 chlorines at -1 and 1 titanium, it must be +4. Magnesium is all by itself, so it is 0. Titanium is just an element in its natural state all by itself, so it is also 0. And then here we have a binary ionic, so again, it's just going to be its charges, original charges, so chlorine is -1 and magnesium is +2. So what's changing oxidation numbers? Well, first off, titanium it's going from +4 to 0. Therefore, titanium is gaining electrons. And so titanium is being reduced. And then magnesium is going from 0 to +2. Magnesium is losing electrons, so it is being oxidized. The next part says which substance is the reductant and which is the oxidant. So remember the reductant, so the reductant and we have the oxidant. So the reductant is whatever is being oxidized. So the substance being oxidized is the magnesium metal, and the oxidant is whatever's being reduced. And titanium is being reduced, but when we're talking about the oxidant, or in this case, you need to name the entire substance here. So it is TiCl4, titanium tetrachloride, that is being, or that is the oxidant. Up here, when we talked about what was being reduced, you really should name the whole compound in terms of what's being reduced. The titanium tetrachloride is what is being reduced in that part.